Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a Empire new exhaust on the Ralliart. Let's do it. So this is what we got in the box here. It is a full exhaust, dump back exhaust from Empire Exhaust or Empire Performance over in WA. We'll get this out of the box and I'll lay it all out for you guys, but you got your test pipe, which is this one here. And then you got your one with your high flow cap, which is up there, and then you got your muffler section. You can run this just with the cap back if you really wanted to, or just the cap back if you really wanted to. And apparently it won't throw any codes, but we'll actually see about that. It comes with your hardware, what you're going to need, three or four gaskets, and your bolts that you need. Let's get into it. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Thanks for joining me today. We'll get into more stuff we're going to do with the car in later videos, but don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you want. It'll help the channel quite a lot. Thank you guys, peace out.